Ask any biker what their favorite color is and he will tell you. It is black leather and chrome. Embellishing black leather with shiny chrome in my book automatically categorizes it as biker. If I want to biker something up, I will use chrome ball chain, chrome rivets, and a chrome choker chain in my leather work. I like to use ball chain for edgings and appliques. Here are some examples. This is a black credit card case edged with chrome ball chain. The ball chain hides the raw edges and makes the case more durable. This is a small coin purse edged with ball chain. Ball chain not only hides the raw edges, but gives body to the thin leather like this flap. This is a trifold biker's wallet. I not only edged the wallet with ball chain, but also the inside flap. This is a cigarette case with a lighter pocket. Here, I've not only covered the edges with ball chain, but I used chrome rivets as an accent. Around the lighter pocket, I stitched a ball chain applique. This is a lady's biker purse that is edged entirely with ball chain, and also accented with chrome rivets. This is a holster cell phone case, accented with chrome ball chain and chrome hardware.